Hey y'all, guess what we're going to be making in our slow cooker today? Crockpot Angel Chicken. Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the Good Old Boy, where we cook up dishes straight from recipes.crock.com, my beautiful wife's cooking blog. And today we're going to do a recipe that I thought we already did, and we kind of sort of did, but we ain't done this one. That makes absolutely no sense, but it will in a minute. You see, we're going to be making angel chicken in our slow cooker. We have made a video before where it was angel chicken in our Instant Pot, and there is a quickie video somewhere on the channel that's angel chicken in the quickie video where you don't get to hear all my pizzazz and charm. But today we're going to show you one of our favorite recipes. This is another one of the fan favorites that people love, and we're going to put it all together right here on camera like this just now. And what you need are the following ingredients. You need some chicken. Now be honest, did you find that as annoying as what my wife does? You see she's not here with me right now because she did not want to be on the same atmosphere as this chicken. She's really not a fan. She's not a fan of that chicken, but she's a fan of the chicken we're going to be using. And shh, it's my show. And what we're going to do is we're going to take 5 to 6 chicken breasts and put them in a slow cooker. Just like that. Now, if you are doing a head count right now, or a breast count if you will, that's actually 7. That's because the package that we had given to us by the store had 7. So I'm not going to waste one chicken breast and bag it up and everything. I'm just going to cook it all. We'll enjoy it either way it goes. But that's the easy part right there. But the real good stuff is what's going to happen behind me. No, not that. What I'm going to do is I need to put a whole bunch of stuff in a mixer to make the sauce that's going to make this chicken taste amazing. So what you need are the following ingredients to do that. You need 1/4 cup, which is a half stick of butter that's been melted. You want 1/2 cup of cooking sherry wine, or if you don't want the boozy stuff, then you could always use chicken broth, so a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Really, I love the sherry in there because the alcohol is going to cook out. It's a 5-hour recipe, so the alcohol is going to cook out of this, but it leaves behind that fruity, I almost want to call it like a French flavor. I don't know why. It's got that wine flavor, and the booze is all cooked out. So if you don't want to use sherry, that's fine. You can use chicken broth, 1/2 cup. And then you want 1/2 cup of softened chive and onion flavored cream cheese. This is about a cup, so I'm going to split this in half. And then you want 1 can cream of mushroom soup. And then you want 1 ounce package of Italian dressing mix of your choice. So I know I'm going to get this dirty first, and I'm only using half. So I'm going to take half of my cream cheese mixture in my mixing bowl. Let's see if I can get. There we go. There's about a 1/2 cup. And then you want your can of cream mushroom soup in the bowl. Your butter in the bowl. Your sherry or your chicken broth in the bowl. And then your Italian dressing mix goes in the bowl. And then all I want to do is clean off my spatula real good. And then I'm going to take this over to our stand-alone mixer and set it for 2 minutes. Hey, entertain them while I'm putting this mixer together. Alright, 2 minutes. Just to mix it all up. Or in your case, just like this. And our 2 minutes is up, and our stuff has been mixed, and it looks just like that. Got the mushrooms in there, and then all your other ingredients. So now what I want to do, set my camera down. Try to remember how to. I haven't used this thing in like 6 months, and I'm trying to remember how to get it all taken apart. Don't judge me. There we go. Okay. Alright. And simple. Now all you want to do is take this mixture, splatter it all over your kitchen, because you know I'll clean that up later. And all I want to do is just put it over the top of that chicken evenly. And again, I'm working solo today, so it's hard to show you over the top shot, but I'll show you in a second. You just want to put it over the top of your chicken. And what that'll do over the next 5.5 hours is it's going to heat up and it's going to soak down in that chicken. But the way Cris puts it there, you just want to slather it, just like that. Just to coat the top of that chicken. It'll all go down and cook into it. And what you're looking for, remember y'all, remember kids from our previous classes, you want to make sure that that chicken is cooked to an internal temperature of, that's right, 165 degrees. And if you remember what we like it at 170 because it seems to break down that chicken a little bit more, and especially chicken breasts because they can get a little tough. We like them to cook a little bit longer and get to 175, or 170 rather, before we start digging in. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my lid on it. And I'm going to cook this on low for 4 to 6 hours. Like I said, with this slow cooker, it usually takes around 5. Every slow cooker's got a different personality. And we're going to come back though in about 4, and I'll check the temperature and see how it is. And then when it's done, we'll serve it over something delicious, like pasta or rice. I don't know yet. I have to see what I got in the pantry. But you're going to see what that is in 3, 2, 1. And we are back. I say we because Miss has done with school for the day, so she is joining me in the kitchen, mainly because she smelled something good cooking over here. And I was wrong. I said that I thought this would take about 5 hours to do in this slow cooker. It was done a lot closer to 4 because we got well over our desired 170 degrees. Got up into the 200, so we had to shut that sucker off. But it's done. And really, you really can't tell much about it except for the fact that some of the fats rose to the top there, and you see a lot of cream cheese mixture because all that goodness is down below. If I take my spoon, you can see that chicken popping out there. So what I'm going to do now is I've got a plate of angel hair pasta. Yeah, we don't have that much angel hair pasta here, but I'm thinking this will be a treat. So I'm going to do is take one of my chicken breasts, put on top of that bed of pasta, and then I'm going to take some of that cream cheese sauce that cooked over the top of that chicken, and that's going to go over the chicken and down into the pasta. I'll do one more for good measure, mainly because I like this stuff. Alright, so let me grab a knife and a fork, maybe 2 forks. Here. Oh, that's right, I was doing dishes and all the forks were in the dishwasher. Hey look! A fork. Alright, so, here's the fork.
Thank you.
Let me take that. How about if you show them the pretty shot of me cutting into that? Here, let me hold your fork for you. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Let's just cut in this and see how tender this chicken breast is. Oh yeah, that chicken is falling apart. I love it when a chicken breast falls apart like that because, again, I am not a big fan of chicken breasts, mainly because a lot of times the chicken will be dry in the middle. This is not, or it'll be tough. This is not. Look at that. I can just pull this chicken away. I should have probably got a bigger plate, but that is how easy that chicken's falling apart, and that's after 4 hours in that slow cooker. So 4 to 6 on low, just depending on your slow cooker itself. Don't lick a knife. It's not safe. Oh my gosh. Hang on just a second. Now that we got that chicken broken apart, I'm going to take just a little bit more of that sauce and go over the top, make sure it gets all into those noodles. Oh yeah. Dude, there is meat in there for days. That was 7 chicken breasts. I'm very pleased that I could cook that many. That's enough for, well, a family of 7. So we need to find a family of 7 and help them out. Alright. You want some? You want to try some? Get me a little bit of pasta. Right there. And that's going to be super hot because I just cooked that pasta. And you saw that chicken coming out of there was just got done. Alright. You can taste the mushroom soup in there, that creaminess of that mushroom soup. That chive and onion cream cheese that you put in there with it, it gives it a pleasant sour taste to go along with that creaminess. And like I said, if y'all don't want to do sherry, any kind of an alcohol like a wine, a cooking wine or anything with that, you can use chicken stock and it will taste really, really good. But I'm telling you, if you want to try it, that cooking sherry gives a whole nother, that's redneck for a lot more dimension and flavor. It feels warm on the tongue. Not alcohol warm, but you can taste the wine in it. Wine and chicken just go really good together. That is so good. I threw my knife away. Oh well. I'm just going to dig in there. But that is good. What do you think, Miss Ab?
Yeah,
I didn't add any salt to that. I think you're getting your salt, 1 from the soup, and 2 from that Italian seasoning mix, that Italian dressing mix we put in there. I don't think it needs salt.
really good.
The Italian dressing mix kind of gives it a little bit of a sweetness too, that helps to go along with the sourness of that sour cream, or that chive and onion cream cheese. That's what I'm trying to say. But y'all, I'm not digging into this for a second, or I think third time now, just because there's pasta. I'm digging in because it is just that good. That's what we do right here. We cook really, really good food. So good. If y'all like what you're seeing here, give us one of these, a great big like down below. Also, if you've not become a member of the Crock Posse, click the little subscribe button down there. It says subscribe, you click it, you're a member of the Crock Posse. And you also want to click that little bell down below called the
Ding-a-ling.
And that ding-a-ling lets us know that you want to see a video as soon as we put it out, and we'll shoot it right to you. And y'all, whatever you do, laugh often.
Eat good food.
Bye, y'all.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the